Good morning YouTube. It has been a hot minute since I have picked up my camera and done any sort of vlogging. I've been doing real-time workouts lately, but today I figured I would do a full day of eating for you guys. So, might be a little bit rusty around the edges. Don't hold it against me. I can't talk great on the best of days, but today, yeah, we're gonna be doing full day of eating. I don't have a lot planned, to be honest, at this point in my life, at this point in time. With the current situations in the world, I usually don't really leave the house much. But it would be great if I picked up my camera when I did, so that will definitely be on my future to-do list. But today, full day of eating. I'm in a maintenance phase. I'm just at a really good place with my fitness, my food, like how satiated I feel. And yeah, today we're just gonna be sharing with you guys everything that I eat on a typical full day for maintenance. And I'm a pescatarian, so everything that you see here will be pretty much seafood related. So if you don't like seafood, you might not enjoy it. But with that being said, I woke up late today. It's 7:20. I didn't wake up till 7. That's just what the winter does. It's dark until 8 o'clock, so it's so much harder to wake up. But we have a mountain of laundry to fold, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys breakfast. So let's get the day started. First things first, let's wake up this sleeping beauty. Hi. I always kennel her just because, hi Mom. When I got her, she was so tiny. And good morning, Angel. I just didn't want to roll over her in bed, and now it's her safe spot, and I leave the door shut just so that she's not roaming around the apartment and, oops, all that stuff when we're sleeping, eating, and then having to go to the bathroom. Because I actually don't have to take her out in the middle of the night, which a lot of people say that they do for their dogs. But let's do it, girl. Let's go outside. All right, first things first, we are having my One Up Nutrition greens. I've been having this for years. Definitely my favorite supplement to like ever exist. It basically kickstarts digestion. It's 3 billion probiotics. Yeah, I just can't say enough good things about this. It's good for detox. It's good for your gut. It's good for your skin. So many good things when you take care of your gut. So I always start my morning off with this. And then something I recently started incorporating is the Hormone Support Plus. I started taking this because I've been getting really bad PMS right before my period, and because of PMS, like my anxiety has just kind of been out of control around my periods. So I started taking this just for PMS support and hormone regulation. I find that my skin is really nice and glowy since I started taking it too. And yeah, my PMS hasn't been as bad, that's for sure. So I take 3 capsules of that in the morning with 1 scoop of this. And then I take 3 more capsules at night because it is 6 capsules. So that is how I start my day. In the morning, I do some adulting chores like empty the dishwasher and fold the laundry. I obviously put this pile of laundry off for far too long, so I got to that. It took me about half an hour. Then I get to making breakfast. So I do 1 full egg and egg whites. I use some smoked sea salt. It is so good. For my oats, I switched to gluten-free rolled oats opposed to quick oats, and I'm loving them. I do 60 grams, and then I do some cinnamon, vanilla stevia, about 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. And then I put in the hot water and let the hot water soak up from the oats before I microwave it. That is the key to fluffy oats. Then I do some frozen berries, sunflower seed butter, and top it off with bee pollen. I eat this once upon waking, and then again for pre-workout or post-workout, just depending on how early I start my day. It is 11:37 now. I ate breakfast a little while ago. I'm already getting hungry again, but I know that I want to work out before I eat my next meal. So I'm in the bathroom. I'm gonna start straightening my hair just because I want to record my workout today, so I'll make myself look a little bit presentable. I've just had such a hard time getting my butt moving lately, you guys. Like, I think it's because it stays dark so early, but also I've also been doing some blood tests with my naturopath, and I actually have low adrenals, so I have been there we go. I have been supplementing to try to help that, but yeah, I feel like I've just had a really hard time getting going in the morning. So whatever, no excuses. We're still gonna get everything done on our list today, no matter what. And I want you guys to help me pick my outfit of the day because they're new, they're cute, and I seriously don't know which ones to choose. So This is the new Choreoactive. I'm gonna be doing a haul on the entire Primal collection, which is what this is called. So it's like, this is a blue leopard print, and then this is like a mint green leopard print. They both come in shorts and leggings, but they're just so cute. I don't know which one I want to wear today. So which one would you guys choose, the mint green or the blue? I hope I make you proud. Comment down below. Might as well share with you two things that I'm going to be doing. The Glow and Get It by Tula. I like to put that underneath my eyes. Kind of just helps me look more awake. So it has like a little bit of a brightening highlighter kind of thing in it. So I just put that underneath my eyes. And since I already have my Lashify on, I don't do anything for my lashes. Saving grace, I'm obsessed with Lashify. But I am going to be using my new favorite lip liner. It's called Iconic Nude by Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm gonna put that on as well. And then it actually matches my Burt's Bees Caramel, which I've been using for years. And I'm really excited to find a lip liner that matches it. So this is what's gonna go on my lips, and I'll straighten my hair. Outfit of the day. Blue leopard, and I'm actually wearing the shorts. I put on the green one first, and it's so cute. Like, I love that color, but then I wanted to try on both, and I put on the blue leopard, and the blue leopard makes you feel some kind of way, like sassy. Like, that's the energy that I need. It energizes me, you know, like sassy, fierce, just like the power of a good outfit. I'm telling you, can really change your mood around. I'm about to crush this workout. I am gonna be filming one for YouTube, and then I'm also doing one for Instagram. So I'm kind of doing like a little mix of a full body day. So you guys are not gonna see my workout in this video, but I will see you at my next meal, which I'm going to hurry for because I'm getting hungry. Oh my gosh, you guys, I actually have not ate since breakfast this morning. I've had 2 coffees though, and it is now 4 o'clock. Today has been a huge content day, and I'm actually in the zone. I'm actually energized since I've had 2 coffees. Probably nothing to eat, but I'm getting tons done, which is definitely what I wanted to do. So I just finished filming a fall favorites video. That's what we'll call it because it's fall. But you guys will see that in a separate video. And I am eating a One Up Nutrition protein bar right now. This is the strawberry cobbler. This is just gonna be a snack as I am preparing for my next meal. So lunch is served. So this is what I like to consider my basic meal, because I always have tilapia and vegetables, basically rice, tilapia, and vegetables. And then for dinner, I like to switch it up, do different proteins like salmon, scallops, shrimp, ahi, that kind of thing. So this is my basic meal that I just do during the day when I'm working, and I literally don't have to think about it. It just makes it so much easier. So here I have some bell peppers. I air fried them, and then brown rice. I shredded up 2 tilapia loins into my rice. There's 130 grams of rice there, so look how much volume that makes when you shred it all up together. And then I put on some coconut soy sauce and habanero hot sauce. I put that all together and made a beautiful voluminous plate that I'm gonna eat now because I'm absolutely starving. And for dinner tonight, how amazing does this look? This is spring salmon, and it is cooked to perfection, so crispy. It has a little bit of Valentina's hot sauce on it as like a marinade. And then I have some air fried asparagus and some brown rice. And I always like to put some coconut soy sauce on my rice. Oh my gosh, you guys, today has been literally such a busy day, but very, very productive. Today was definitely a content batching day, and I actually ended up getting 3 YouTube videos filmed and an Instagram workout. And while I was at it, Muffin got a little haircut. Oh my gosh. My fiance picked her up from the hair cutters with this adorable little, I'm gonna put a picture on the screen for you guys. This adorable little Halloween bandana. It was so stinking cute. So that is my day. It was busy, productive, and yeah, my meals, that's what I typically eat in a day. I'm maintaining right now, so that is around like 2,000 calories and about 200 grams of carbs, roughly about 145 to 50 grams of protein, and about 45 to 50 grams of fat. So I've just been eating like that for so long that I don't need to track it in MyFitnessPal every day because nothing really changes. But when I do eat outside of my norm, that is when I do go into the handy dandy MyFitnessPal app and track things a little bit more precisely. So that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah! It's Puffin's birthday on Thursday. She's turning 3. So we're gonna have a little birthday party. Should I vlog that? Well, I don't know, but make sure that you're following me on Instagram because you'll definitely see it there. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Beautiful.